In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the value of y prime or dy over dx using implicit differentiation. Now it is called implicit because we cannot solve the value of y in terms of x. Find the value of y prime using implicit differentiation. The given equation is x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 6xy. First step, we need to get the derivative of the left side of the equation and as well as the right side of the equation. Now, in order for us to get the derivative of the left side of the equation, we need to get the derivative of x cubed and y cubed. In order for us to get the derivative of x cubed, we need to multiply the exponent to its numerical coefficient. So the numerical coefficient of x cubed is 1. 3 times 1, we will have 3. And then after you multiply the exponent to its numerical coefficient, you need to subtract the exponent always by 1. So the new exponent is 2. Therefore, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Plus, we need to get the derivative of y cubed. Now, same process, 3 times 1, we have 3. And then always subtract the exponent by 1. So the derivative of y cubed is 3y squared. But please be reminded that whenever we get the derivative of y, there should be always a y prime is equal to the derivative of 6xy. Now, in order for us to get the derivative of 6xy, we need to use product rule. So in order for us to use the product rule, we need to get the derivative of the first factor, which is 6x, multiplied by its second factor, which is y, plus get the derivative of its second factor, which is y, multiply to its first factor. Now, the derivative of 6x is 6. And then you multiply it by y, we have 6y, plus the derivative of y, which is 1. And then I told you earlier that whenever we get the derivative of y, there should be always a y prime. Multiply by 6x. Simplifying this algebraic expression, we will have 6y plus 6xy prime. So 3x squared plus 3y squared y prime is equal to 6y plus 6xy prime. Now, we need to solve for the value of y prime. In order for us to do that, we need to transfer 6xy prime to the left side of the equation. Since it is positive, it will become negative when we transfer it to the left side of the equation. And then, since 3y squared y prime is on the left side of the equation, it is still positive. Equals, we need to bring down 6y, and then we need to transfer 3x squared to the right side of the equation. Since it is from the left side of the equation, it will become negative, since we transfer it to the right side of the equation. Our next step is we need to solve for the value of y prime. So we need to factor out y prime. So we will have y prime multiplied by 3y squared minus 6x is equal to 6y minus 3x squared. Our next step is we need to divide both sides of the equation by 3y squared minus 6x. So, by that, we can cancel 3y squared minus 6x and 3y squared minus 6x. Therefore, the value of y prime is equal to 6y minus 3x squared over 3y squared minus 6x. To simplify the right side of the equation, we need to factor out 3. So we will have 3 multiplied by 2y minus x squared over 3 multiplied by y squared minus 2x. And then We need to cancel 3. So the value of y prime is equal to 2y minus x squared over y squared minus 2x.